In the first example, f of x plus g of x is asking you to add the two functions. All we need to do is identify our like terms with addition. So I'm going to take 2x squared minus 5x plus 10 and add that to 3x minus 4. My like terms, 2x squared has nothing like it, so that stays 2x squared. Negative 5x is like the term 3x. When I add those together, negative 5 plus 3 gives me negative 2x. And the 10 and the negative 4 are like terms, and that gives me positive 6. So my end result, 2x squared minus 2x plus 6. Subtraction has an additional step. For subtraction, the order is important. So I'm going to start with 5x squared minus 3x. That's my r of x. And I want to subtract 3x squared minus 10x. With subtraction, we must first distribute the subtraction sign, which changes the sign of every term in the parentheses. Continue and bring down the first set of parentheses, which did not change, and go through the process of putting your like terms together again. So I have a 5x squared, which is like negative 3x squared. So I get, when I put them together, I get 2x squared. I have a negative 3x, and I have a positive 10x. Together, that gives me positive 7x. There are no other terms remaining. That is my answer. And the last example is multiplication. So in multiplication, I need to set up f of x, which is 2x plus 7, and multiply that by g of x, which is 3x minus 2. So notice I have two binomials being multiplied. At this point, I should be thinking about FOIL or the distributive property. So what I need to multiply is the 2x by everything in the second set of parentheses, and then I need to add 7 and multiply that by everything in the second parenthesis. Right here I can distribute 2x times 3x gives me 6x squared. The coefficients multiply, and when you multiply variables you add your exponents. Continue the distributive property. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Continue on to the second set. 7 times 3x is a positive 21x. And 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Last step again is to look for any like terms, which are usually located in the middle. So I have 6x squared plus 17x minus 14 as my solution.